Hey y'all, it's Jayla aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join all 22,000 of us over here. Today, we're talking about wash and goes, okay? This is my wash and go on day 7. No touch-ups, nothing added to my hair, not even a spritz of water. And this is what we're left with a week later, okay? Taking you from start to finish of the process, all 7 days. Go ahead and keep on watching. Wash and go day 0, she is wet. Hey y'all, day 0, which means it's styling time. I'm starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. So to wash my hair today, I use the Wakati. This is their sulfate-free shampoo. And then to condition, the handy dandy Aussie Miracle Moist, baby. Y'all already know about it. And then when I'm in the shower, I always flat twist my hair before styling. So I have a lot of products that I like to use for my wash and goes. I actually have an entire wash and go playlist that I'll go ahead and link up above for you. I will be using the Mael Pomegranate and Honey collection, one of my favorite combos. So this is what my hair looks like. I'll go ahead and split this section into 2. I'll do this super easy, super simple. A couple of pumps of the leave-in conditioner. And then I take a little bit of the Coil Sculpting Custard. I'm going to twist it up just real quick. Next section. When I finish all my sections, I just take the twist. I just run through everything with my fingers, just trying to make sure that all of my hair is coated with product, because this is gonna be the last time I actually touch my hair, put any product on it, put anything on it for the rest of the week. This is what our wash and go looks like on day 0. Okay, so real quick, let me show you how I put my hair up in order to go to bed. All you'll need, some satin scrunchies, a big old bonnet, okay? Big enough for however big your fro is, that's how big your bonnet needs to be. Or bigger, actually. You split your hair into as many sections as you want to. I'm gonna go in 3 sections. This is my first section, and all I'm gonna do is put this in a ponytail. Just like that. Same thing on the other side. Get this back section. Now, I'm just going to continue that process down the length of my hair, just so that my hair is drying somewhat stretched. So maybe we'll put the next one like there. Just like that. As y'all can see, we're not doing any type of color coordination. And you just repeat that down the length of your hair. I did double wrap that very last one, removing the ends of my hair where it's less voluminous. Okay, y'all, so this is how we wrap up our hair at night. And then I just take my big old bonnet and I put it over on top of this. And now we're ready for bed. So I'll go ahead and check in with y'all in the morning so you can see how our wash and go dried and what we're looking like on day 1. Good night. Wash and go day 1, still wet. Good morning, y'all. Welcome to day 1 of my wash and go. So last night we went ahead and prepared our wash and go. Okay. I'm just letting you know right now, my hair is still wet, which is to be expected. But I'm just going to go ahead and yank these scrunchies off. Yes, I'm yanking them off. They're literally satin. So, okay, so this is what it looks like just yanking off those scrunchies. Now, the only thing I want to do is shake. This is my wash and go day 1. I'll check in with y'all tonight. Hey y'all, it's the end of day 1 and I went ahead and just threw on my bonnet for my shower, but this is what our wash and go is looking like. It's mostly dry. I'm just going to put on my scrunchies at night and take them out in the morning and shake out my hair. When my hair is drying, I do let it dry in the middle part just because I literally don't want wet hair all up in my face like this. But now that my hair is pretty much dry, I can go ahead and demolish this middle part. So my new sections are going to look like this. It's basically like an ear to ear section and I'm just gonna bend it. Just like that. So I'm literally just gonna take the back of my hair So just 3 scrunchies on the front section, 3 scrunchies on the back section, and we are good to go to bed. I will see y'all in the morning. Wash and go day 2. We are finally fully dressed. Good morning, y'all. Day 2. I already took my bonnet off my head. I literally just slid it off, and we're just gonna slide these off, y'all. This is a super easy process. I'm gonna probably stop talking through it. We're just gonna shake it out. But for the sake of being able to see, I am gonna put my hair right back in that middle part. And yeah, y'all, this is my day 2 hair. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'll see y'all later. Wash and go day 3, and she's coming into form, honey. Wow, wasn't expecting this when I opened my front camera. Wash and go day 3, and she's coming into form, honey. Wash and go day 4. She looks different. Hey y'all, what's up? Today is day 4, I think. This is what my hair is looking like. Wash and go day 5. I have been sweating a little bit today, so we're getting some shrinkage. Wash and go day 6. Come on, volume. Wash and go day 7. Definitely growing in this area. Something's happening here. Say hi and bye to day 7 hair because we are gonna go through our wash day routine today. Hey y'all. So today is day 9. I've been wearing this wash and go on my head. As you can see, it looks completely different from how it looked at the beginning of last week because it's been over a week now. So this is just what my hair is looking like. And yeah, it's time for wash day, y'all. One of the main reasons I don't like to wear my wash and goes more than a week, and I shouldn't wear my wash and goes for more than a week, the tangles, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see those tangles. They are certainly there and growing in number by the second. So I am gonna go ahead and finish this wash and go out. I did not record an outro for this video, but I did go ahead and wash my hair because it was much needed. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, especially if you're looking to rock a wash and go. Go ahead and do it. It's a beautiful process. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.